In the diagram below, we see that a cannonball is being fired toward a person, who then catches the cannonball. At first, the person is located here. Then they get pushed back to here. And finally, the person comes to rest at t=3. Now here the person is applying a forward force, but the ball doesn't actually go forward in this interaction. The ball pushes the person back. And so what that shows is that the force and the displacement actually have 180 degrees between them. This means that negative work is going to get done here. It's positive work if you push on an object and it actually goes in the direction that you're pushing. But it's negative work if you push on an object and the object doesn't go the direction that you're pushing. It goes opposite the direction that you're pushing.